Hey, Soul Tribe, this is Sean. I hope this finds you well. Well, today on this full moon in Gemini, I have a simple blessing for you from the angels to help you move forward without fear, anxiety, or feeling unworthy, because you are worthy. And trust me, you have created a plan for yourself. Just allow it to follow through. Surrender and trust. Romana mane kutukiando karia bodo kosanne arriba ko diamanda gason shidigetu do roman manare bo do mayan ba ya ko to bayanta ka asundu sundu krutike badian be amo do to mayamane ke desi sundu ko yamonu grabo abelegele un marre ko to mayana darre bota artomo sonto shole galarre bodo yamono badarre bodoma arto romon ya bonko dia sundu shudu yarre bege de bondu go arma mundu ya to parda bade osso shosho manarrebo con arrebo dopo l'ardo sonto le con manarrebo con bianco con dopo dopo all mondo arrebo con dai sunto artaka. Send you love, light, and blessings from the angels.